students, I welcome you all to the Semstar online learning. This is Muskan Purwar and today I am back with the 7th part of chapter 5, that is subtraction. Children, in our previous video we have learnt how to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit number with and without borrowing. Now we will learn how to solve problem sums using 2-digit numbers. So children, while doing problem sums, it is very necessary to read the question very carefully and nicely. Then only you will understand what question is asking to you and what you have to do, plus or minus. So let's take an example. Maria has 47 pencils. 23 are long and the rest are short. How many pencils are short? Now in this question, we know the total number of pencils. Then we know how many long pencils are there. Now we have to find out the short number of pencils. So children, what will be our first statement? Look at the first sentence and write number of pencils Maria has is equal to 47. Let's come to the second statement. Number of long pencils is equal to 23. Then we will solve it out. Then we will write the numbers under the columns of tens and ones. So in number 47, we will write 7 at the ones place and 4 at the tens place. Then in the number 23, 3 will be placed at the ones place and 2 will be placed at the tens place. Now children, we have to find out the difference of it. So let's start from the ones digit. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Yes, subtract it on your fingertips. Then let's come to the tens digit. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So children, what we got as a difference? 24. Now children, how we can write the answer? Look at the question again and then write. We can write it as number of short pencils are 24. Now let's come to the second question. Read it very carefully. There are 28 birds in a tree. 16 are blue and rest are red. How many birds are red? Means we know the total number of birds in a tree and we know how many blue birds are there. Now we have to find out the red birds. Now look at this statement. How we will write the first statement? Number of birds in a tree is equal to 28. Now let's come to the second line of the question. There are 16 blue birds. So how we can write? Number of blue birds is equal to 16. Now we have to find out the difference. So we first arrange the numbers according to their place value under the column of ones and tens. Let's come to the ones column. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Yes. Now let's come to the tens column. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. So now what we got as a difference? 12. So how we can write the answer? Number of red birds are 12. Okay, let's discuss about another one. Max has 33 toy cars. 8 are big and the rest are small. How many small toy cars does Max have? Now children, here Max is a name of a boy. Okay, and he has 33 toy cars, out of which 8 are big. Now you have to find out the number of small cars. So how we will write our first statement? We will write number of toy cars is equal to 33. Now let's come to the second statement. Number of big cars is equal to 8. Now children, we will find out the difference. Now look at the ones digit. 3 minus 8. Now children, can we subtract 8 from 3? Is it possible? No. Then what we will do? We will knock the tens gate and then we will borrow from the tens. Now 3 will become 2 because we have given 1 10 to 1's digit to 3, and this 3 will become 13. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 13. So subtract 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now look at the tens digit. There is only 2. There is no number in the second digit. So we will copy 2 like that only. So what we get as a difference? 25. So children, now we will write the answer as Max has 25 small cars. Now let's come to the fourth one. In a fruit bowl are 24 pieces of fruit. 9 are oranges and the rest are apples. How many apples are in the fruit bowl? Means children, in this question we know the total number of fruits in a bowl. Then we know 9 are oranges out of those. Now we have to find out the number of apples. So children, how we will write the first statement? Pieces of fruit in a bowl is equal to 24. Now let's come to the second one. Number of oranges in a bowl is equal to 9. Now children, we will arrange the numbers under the column of ones and tens. So in number 24, 4 will be placed at the ones column and 2 will be placed at the tens column. Now let's come to the number 9. 9 will be placed at the ones column. Now we will subtract these numbers. Look at the ones column. 4 minus 9. Children, can we subtract 9 from 4? No. So we will borrow from the tens digit from the 2. So 4 will become 14 and 2 will become 1. Now we can easily subtract 9 from 14. So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Now let's come to the tens column. 1 is the only number in the tens column, so we will copy 1 in the difference. What we got as an answer? 15. So we can write answer as there are 15 apples in a fruit bowl. Children, I hope you have understood these problem sums. And children, we need so much practice for solving problem sums, as we have to write statements also and solve it also. So keep practicing and keep learning. Stay safe. Thank you.